Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Loop for meeting notes. First, go to their site and get started with them. Now, once inside, just select on the workspace that you want to navigate. Once inside the workspace, click on this plus sign to create a new page. Then, from the options at the bottom, you can go ahead and select meeting notes. If you don't see that, you can go to template gallery. Then in here, you can go and select meeting notes and use that template. And for here, you will be able to have a ready-made page that you can use. So now you can edit them according to your liking, like adding a topic, attendees, also agenda, and your own notes and the task of your meetings. Also, you can add in relevant links. Now, you can also go ahead and share that page so that you will be able to work with your teammate. And that's just basically it. That's how you use Microsoft Loop for meeting notes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.